Lord who took care. He provided. But one thing, see, you can always be proud is God's standard. God measures standards not by the worldly standard. People may look at you as laws, but the Bible is telling us here, pure religion and undefiled, the highest level of religion that God accepts is to look after those orphans, those fatherless, to look after those widows in their sufferings. And you did that, my brother and sister. That's why we couldn't attend this time, but Nelson also understood this part. TCF Shillong, I think this year we need to visit more, try to help more. I like helping people who really need. Those who already can do themselves, they don't. But those who really need, have nobody to help, I like helping. I like stepping forward, going forward for such people. And our priests are also in that condition. We need God's word. We are lost sheep. Nice church, nice building, good worship. Many times our members, they like going to them and they stop coming to TCF. But later I see their life. They might like worship service or some place, but their own lives are not proper. We may be a small family in TCF. Youth group, Sunday school. As a perfect we feel warm. And we want others to come here to feel warm. As TCF, at least